Class 2, Reported Speech. Let's start with the class, what is reported speech? Reported speech, also known as indirect speech, is the form in which one can convey a message said by oneself or someone else, mostly in the past. It can also be said to be the third-person view of what someone has said. In this form of speech, you need not use quotation marks as you are not quoting the exact words spoken by the speaker, but just conveying the message. Rules to follow when using reported speech. Reported speech is a little different from direct speech. As it has been discussed already, reported speech is used to tell what someone said and does not use the exact words of the speaker. Take a look at the following rules so that you can make use of reported speech effectively. 1. The first thing you have to keep in mind is that you need not use any quotation marks as you are not using the exact words of the speaker. 2. You can use the following formula to construct a sentence in the reported speech. Subject plus said that plus report whatever the speaker said. 3. Furthermore, keep in mind that the sentence structure, tense, pronouns, modal verbs, some specific adverbs of place and adverbs of time change when a sentence is transformed into indirect reported speech. And here we present a list of reporting verbs that you can use in reported speech. Pause the video if you need it. Now, let's transform direct speech into reported speech. As discussed earlier, when transforming a sentence from direct speech into reported speech, you will have to change the pronouns, tense and adverbs of time and place used by the speaker. Let us look at the following tables to see how they work. In reported speech, pronouns change. It's a little difficult to explain, but here is a chart with pronouns and the way it changes. Pause the video if you need it. Another thing that changes in reported speech are adverbs of place and adverbs of time. In this table you can see how each one changes. Well, tenses also change. Let's see the chart. In direct speech, if the sentence tense is simple present, in reported speech must be simple past. If in direct speech the tense is present continuous, in reported speech must be past continuous. If in direct speech the tense is present perfect, reported speech must be past perfect or also past perfect continuous. If in direct speech the tense is simple past, in reported speech must be in past perfect. If in direct speech the tense is past continuous, in reported must be past perfect continuous. And in the case of the past perfect and the past perfect continuous, both in direct speech and in reported speech, the tense is maintained. The last thing that change are the modal verbs. See the chart below. Tips to practice reported speech. Here are some tips you can follow to become a pro in using reported speech. 1. Select a play, a drama, or a short story with dialogues and try transforming the sentences in direct speech into reported speech. 2. Write about an incident or speak about a day in your life using reported speech. 3. Develop a story by following prompts or on your own using reported speech. Here we leave some examples of reported speech to show you how reported speech can be written. Blaine requested us to help him with the algebraic equations. Karishma asked me if I knew where her car keys were. The judges announced that the Warblers were the winners of the annual a cappella competition. So, this is the end of the video. We hope you have understood the difference between direct speech and reported speech. Remember that you can watch the videos as many times as you want to learn better. See you in the next one.